Alright, I just made this video here so you guys would know how to backwash out this screen where I'm pointing there, the little black cap. It has a really fine screen to keep particulates and foreign matter out of the boiler. The easiest way to do this, and you can do this without even removing the screen, is actually backwashing it. You can see on the right we have the cold valve, and on the left we have the outgoing hot. At those valves built into the valves is a T. What we're going to do is go ahead and hook a hose to the outgoing flush port. We're going to go ahead and shut off the incoming water, but leave the outgoing on. This allows you to go ahead and open this flush port. You see here, I'm just showing you what it'll look like when you walk up to it. You attach a hose to that port, run it down to the drain. After you shut off the incoming water, you will go ahead and open up the valve on the flushing port. This will allow water to go back up into the water heater backwards and back out and flush any of the debris that is built up on the screen. Usually I will cycle the water on and off. By that I mean the valve right there that I'm touching. Try to blow out anything that is built up on it. Once I'm done with that, I will shut the outgoing hot water supply and open the incoming cold water supply just to flush out any debris that we knocked out of the screen and that may have fell onto the valve below. Probably an optional step, but it's just being a little more thorough. Once we're finished there, we'll shut off the incoming water again, open the outgoing, let gravity drain out whatever is remaining, and then again shut off the flush port, reopen the incoming water slowly, and reopening the outgoing hot water supply slowly. And then here I'm just going to show that our flow rates have returned again. 3.8 gallons per minute on that one. We're showing probably 4.2 on that one. You just go ahead and do each one at a time, and you'll never have to interrupt what hot water they have. So if you do this as a preventative maintenance every month or two, you will not interrupt the hot water supply at all. And that's how easy it is. So if you have any questions, just let me know. But I figured I'd make this video in the event that I actually do get moved out of here, that you would have it to reference. And that is how you backwash out the intake screen of a Navien tankless hot water heater. Thanks, and I guess leave any comments if you have any questions.